Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So our today topic is apparent weight of a body in a lift. This is a very important application for Olympiad, NEET and JEE main students. Okay, in this one, so the first of all discuss about apparent weight. So let us consider a body of mass m. A body of mass m is placed on a weighing machine. Okay, this is the weighing machine. It's a body of mass. For example, a person is lying on the weighing machine. That mass of the body m. Mass of the body m, which is placed in a lift. When actual weight of the body, okay, in this one, when the actual weight of the body is mg, actual weight of the body is mg, and this act on a weighing machine, which offers a reaction or given by the reading of weighing machine. This is the normal reaction or reaction force, or normal reaction or normal force also, and reaction force also. In this one, R is acting exerted by the weighing machine. Okay, this action exerted by the surface of contact on the body. The action exerted by the surface of the contact on the body, that is called apparent weight of the body. Okay, in this one, some cases are there. Okay, for example, if a person is placed on a weighing machine in a lift, the lift is the rest position. So what are the conditions is applicable? Okay, the lift is moving upward and downward. What are the conditions? Okay, lift is moving upward with constant acceleration a. So what are the conditions? Lift is moving in downward, the constant acceleration a, that is the retardation a. So what are the conditions? Okay, one by one discuss in this concept, apparent weight of your body in a lift. Okay, first condition is lift is at rest. Lift is at rest. Okay, lift is at rest. In this one, a block, okay, this is the block of mass m, is placed on a weighing machine in a lift. Okay, the block of mass m, the lift is at rest. Okay, one force is exerted vertically downward. That force is a gravitational force mg. Okay, so one force is acting upward direction. That force is the perpendicular to the surface, that is a reaction force R. Okay, in this one R. Okay, write the equation R minus mg is equal to 0. Then R is equal to mg. In this one, the lift is rest position. V is equal to 0. Velocity is equal to 0 and acceleration is equal to 0. R minus mg is equal to 0, then R is equal to 0. In this case, apparent weight is equal to actual weight. Apparent weight is equal to actual weight. Okay, lift is at rest. So lift is not moving, that is the rest position, that is the constant position, then velocity will be 0, velocity will be 0, then acceleration is equal to 0, acceleration is equal to 0. In this equation, r minus mg is equal to 0, r minus mg is equal to 0, then r is equal to mg. In this one, apparent weight is equal to actual weight, apparent weight is equal to actual weight. The apparent weight is the reaction force or is exerted by that person, by the person, okay, due to the surface of contact. So due to the surface of contact of a body is called apparent weight, apparent weight. This is the first condition. Okay, next condition, lift is moving upward or downward. Second condition, lift is moving upward or downward. Lift is moving upward and downward. Okay, in this lift moving upward or downward with constant velocity. Okay, with constant velocity. With constant velocity. Constant velocity, the block is placed on a weighing machine. Okay, one force is perpendicular to the surface, that is the reaction force, and mg is acting downwards. Okay, lift is moving upward or downward with constant velocity. With constant velocity, then acceleration is equal to 0. That equation, r minus mg is equal to 0. Then r is equal to mg. R is equal to mg. The apparent weight is equal to actual weight. Apparent weight is equal to actual weight. Apparent weight is equal to actual weight. Actual weight. This is the second condition. Okay, next third condition. The lift is moving upward with constant acceleration a. Lift accelerating. Lift accelerating upward. Upward at the rate of a, that is the acceleration. Okay, this is the lift. So weighing machine, a block is placed on a weighing machine. The lift is moving with upward, the constant acceleration a. The reaction force acting upward, reaction force, and downward non-contact external force, non-external contact force, that is the gravitational force mg is acting downward direction. First write the equation. In this one, the lift accelerating upward at the rate of a, that velocity will be variable. Velocity, that is the velocity is the variable. Velocity is the variable. Some cases, one case acceleration is equal to 3 meter per second square. Next, another case is the upward condition. The body is moving upward direction. Acceleration is equal to 4 meter per second square. The next acceleration is equal to 5 meter per second square. Then velocity will be variable. The velocity will be variable. Okay, the next, that acceleration acceleration is less than the acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration is less than the acceleration due to gravity, because the acceleration due to gravity are the always acting downward direction. In case if a body is projected upward direction, the acceleration will be negative. Acceleration will be negative. Okay, this is a negative. This is a negative means this is a very less compared to acceleration due to gravity value. A less than g. Then write the equation r minus mg. Okay, acceleration is acting upward direction. First write r. R minus mg is equal to ma. R minus mg is equal to ma. If another case, in case acceleration is downward, acceleration is acting in downward, first write mg. Okay, in this third case, lift accelerating upward at the rate of a, first write r. R minus mg is equal to ma, then r is equal to m into a plus g. R is equal to m into a plus g. This is the equation. R is equal to m into g plus a. In this one, apparent weight greater than the actual weight. Apparent weight greater than actual weight. Actual weight, because a less than g. A less than g, acceleration is less than the acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, that is the third condition. The next fourth condition. The fourth condition is lift accelerating downward at the rate of a. At the rate of a. Fourth condition. Lift accelerating downward, lift accelerating downward. This is the condition. In this condition, lift accelerating downward, so weighing machine, a block is placed on the weighing machine, mg is acting downward direction, the reaction force acting upward direction, in this acceleration is acting downward direction. Okay, in this condition, lift accelerating downward. Okay, lift accelerating downward. First acceleration is acting downward. I first write mg minus r is equal to ma. Okay, then r is equal to m into g minus a. R is equal to m into g minus a. Okay, r is equal to m into g minus a. Apparent weight is less than actual weight. Apparent weight is less than the actual weight. Actual weight. Okay, lift accelerating downward, mg minus r is equal to ma. R is equal to m into g minus a. Apparent weight less than actual weight. Okay, this is the apparent weight of a body in a lift. In a lift. Okay, in the one more condition is weightlessness. Weightlessness is a very important. Weightlessness. Weightlessness. Okay, in this one weightlessness means a person in freely fall. Okay, a person freely fall does not experience any contact force and thus feels weightlessness. Okay, a person freely fall, free fall. Okay, a person free fall does not experience any contact, does not experience any contact force, and he feels weightlessness. He feels weightlessness, that is called weightlessness. A person in free fall, a person in free fall does not experience any contact force, and thus feels weightlessness, Okay, so a person freely fall. Okay, a person is jumping from a certain height building, so does not experience any contact force not acting on that person. He feels weightlessness, very low weight. Actual weight, this person is weightlessness. Okay, this is the weightlessness of this. This is the concept of apparent weight of a body in a lift. Okay, in this weightlessness, so one more thing, if A is equal to G, the normal reaction R is equal to 0. A is equal to G. Okay, in this condition, for example, A is equal to G, then G plus A value substituted, A minus A 0, or minus M, R is equal to M into A minus A, that is equal to 0. If acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity, then reaction force, normal reaction is equal to 0. Thus, in freely falling lift, the man will experience a state of weightlessness. This is the concept of apparent weight of your body in a lift. First problem, students. A man weighs 80 kg. He stands on a weighing scale in a lift which is moving upwards with a uniform acceleration of 5 meter per second square. What would be the reading on the scale? Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. A very simple problem in this one. A man weighs, okay, in a lift. Okay, in this man, that man mass here M is equal to 80 kg. Okay, is moving, the lift is moving upward with constant acceleration A. Okay, here A is equal to 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square. And what is the condition? Third condition, if the lift is moving upward at the rate at A, R is equal to reaction force, R is equal to M into G plus A. That is the formula. R is equal to M into G plus A. Here M is the 80 kg, 10 plus 5, 80 into 15. 80 into 15, that is equal to 1200 Newton. 1200 Newton. Okay. This is the problem. 1200 Newton. Okay. For example, if another condition, okay, if case the mass M is equal to 60 kg. 60 kg. Okay, moving, accelerating upward with acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Next, to take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Then find out what would be the reading on the scale. Okay, the same problem and the same formula. R is equal to, and R is equal to m into g plus a. Okay, m is the 60 into 10 plus 10. Okay, 60 into 20, that is equal 1200 Newton. 1200 the Newton. Okay, this is the problematic condition. This is the today. So only one topic discussed. The topic is so apparent weight of a body in a lift concept. It's a very important concept for NEET and JEE students. Hope you like this video, students. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.